Good day, everybody. Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to look at some more parts I got for my 2003 GTJ LS swap. I'm going to talk about the reason why I bought these and why I changed my mind from some of the things I was going to do earlier. So let's just have a quick look and then we can get back to the videos of actually building this 2003 Jeep LS project. If this is your first time watching this video, subscribe because I'm documenting everything to cover every angle that I possibly can doing the swap. So if someone wants to do it themselves later on in the future, it shouldn't be a problem. Let's get started. So this first section here is where we go down the rabbit hole. If you've been following this build series, I had picked up a 4L60 transmission that was rebuilt. So I didn't want to get a kit to change out the tail shaft and have it taken all apart again when it was just freshly built. So originally I had bought a digital signal emulator which could have emulated the signal for the VSS, but then I changed my mind and I wanted the vehicle speed sensor to be before the transfer case. So I talked to the guys at Advanced Adapters and they told me to go with this setup here, but then I would need an early 700R4 adapter to 231. However, what they failed to mention is that the early adapter will not fit up to a modern 231 transfer case. I'm gonna have to put this in the mill and start machining this collar off in the middle so we can get that bolted up, and then we shouldn't have any issues. Also, for the Ford 8.8 rear end, I got a USA standard gear rebuild kit and 4.56 gears. These are the exact same brand name of gears I have in my Jeep right now. When I rebuilt it about 5-6 years ago now, I never had any issues, so I'm gonna go with them again. Also, I needed a remote oil filter because I have a modified oil pan, so I picked up this one from Summit Racing. It uses a pH 8A filter, but I picked up a Wix from the local automotive store. And before I put the intake on the engine, I'm going to put new knock sensors and wiring harness. This is the transmission dipstick. For the transmission, I'm going to run hydraulic lines, so I got these adapters. Energy suspension bushing. Then I'm going to custom build a mount for the transmission. And of course for the 8.8, I'm going to truss it. And I picked this up from a local shop in town, Broken Axle. And it's the Artec truss kit for that. That being said, I'm going to end the video here. There's lots of content coming up. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video and stay tuned. This is a big project. A lot bigger than I had originally thought. And I could have just slapped it together and probably had it going by now, but I'm taking the time to clean up everything and rebuild everything as I go, so it's basically going to be a brand new Jeep. I'll see you in the next video.